Your doctor will never tell you this, not because it's hidden, but because it's too simple to be taken seriously. Every night, millions of people drink milk before bed, thinking it's enough for better sleep and recovery. But they're missing one small ingredient that could actually make a real difference while they sleep. It's already in your kitchen. It's been used for generations. But almost nobody uses it the right way. Most people drink milk at night thinking it helps them relax and sleep better. But what if a small change to that routine could actually help your body repair itself while you sleep? Joint stiffness, poor sleep, low energy, slow metabolism. These are common problems as we age, and many people assume they're just a normal part of getting older. But sometimes it's not just age, it's what your body is missing, especially at night. There is a simple habit used for generations that may support your body in a natural way. Drinking warm milk with turmeric before bed. This is often called golden milk, and while it sounds simple, the way it works inside your body is actually quite interesting. Let's understand this step by step. This is not a new trend or something recently discovered. Turmeric has been used for hundreds of years in traditional wellness systems, especially in South Asia. In those traditions, turmeric was known for its healing properties. It was used for reducing swelling, supporting recovery, and maintaining overall health. Milk, on the other hand, was considered nourishing and calming. It provides protein, calcium, and certain nutrients that support the body, especially at night. When these two are combined, the idea is simple. You create a drink that not only nourishes your body, but also supports recovery while you sleep. Modern research has taken interest in turmeric because of a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. That means it may help reduce internal stress in the body and support natural repair processes. Now, why is this important at night? Because your body does most of its repair work while you sleep. Your muscles relax, your brain resets, your cells recover, and your internal systems slow down just enough to repair and restore. If your body has the right support during this time, the quality of recovery can improve. That's where a simple drink like turmeric milk may help. Let's talk about how to prepare it properly. Take 1 glass of milk. Warm it gently. It should be warm, not boiling hot. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's enough. You don't need more. If you want to improve absorption, you can add a small pinch of black pepper. This helps your body use turmeric more effectively. If the taste feels strong, you can add a little honey. But keep it minimal. Stir it well and drink it slowly. The best time to drink this is about 20 to 30 minutes before bedtime. Not immediately after a heavy meal, and not on a completely full stomach. Give your body some space to absorb it. Now, how often should you drink it? You don't need it every single day. 4 to 5 times a week is enough for most people. Consistency matters more than quantity. Drinking too much turmeric can sometimes cause digestive discomfort, so it's better to keep it balanced. Now let's understand what may happen inside your body after you drink this. First, your brain and sleep quality. Turmeric may help calm certain internal processes that are linked with stress and inflammation. This can support a more relaxed state before sleep. As a result, your sleep may feel deeper and more restful over time. Next, your joints and muscles. Many people experience stiffness, especially in the morning. This is often linked to inflammation. Curcumin in turmeric may help support a reduction in that internal inflammation. Over time, this may lead to less stiffness and better mobility. Now let's talk about the immune system. While you sleep, your immune system becomes more active. This is when your body works to repair and defend itself. The antioxidant properties in turmeric may support this process, helping your body respond better to everyday stress and external factors. Then comes digestion. Your digestive system also slows down at night, but it continues working quietly. Turmeric has been traditionally used to support digestion. It may help your gut stay balanced and support smoother digestion in the morning. Now, metabolism and fat management. This is important to understand clearly. Turmeric is not a magic solution for fat loss, but it may support processes in the body that are linked with metabolism. When inflammation is reduced and digestion improves, your body may function more efficiently. Over time, this can support better weight management. Now, what kind of changes can you expect if you follow this routine consistently? You may notice that your sleep feels more refreshing. You may wake up with slightly less stiffness. Your digestion may feel more comfortable. Your energy levels may feel more stable during the day. And overall, your body may feel a little more balanced. These changes are usually gradual. They don't happen overnight. But small improvements over time can make a real difference. To get the best results, it helps to combine this habit with a simple routine. Try to go to bed at a regular time. Avoid heavy meals right before sleep. Limit excess sugar late at night. And keep your evenings calm and relaxed. This drink works best when it becomes part of a consistent lifestyle, not just a one-time experiment. Now, a quick safety note. If you have certain medical conditions such as gallbladder issues or kidney-related concerns, or if you are taking medication regularly, it's a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional before adding this to your routine. Also, pay attention to your body. If something doesn't feel right, reduce the amount or stop. Your body always gives signals. It's important to listen. At the end of the day, health is not about doing something extreme. It's about small, consistent habits. A simple drink at night may not seem like much, but over time, these small actions can support your body in meaningful ways. So if you're looking for a gentle, natural way to support your sleep, recovery, and overall wellness, this might be worth trying. Give it a few days. Stay consistent. And observe how your body responds. Sometimes the simplest habits are the ones that stay with us the longest.